Today, we're sharing essential Facebook business page marketing tips for 2025 to help you grow your brand, reach more customers, and get better results online. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or managing a brand, these strategies will make your page more effective and engaging. First, focus on creating valuable and consistent content. Share posts that educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Use a mix of images, videos, and graphics to make your content visually appealing. Posting consistently keeps your page active and signals to Facebook's algorithm that your content is relevant, helping more people see your posts. Next, engage with your audience regularly. Respond to comments, answer messages promptly, and encourage interactions through polls, questions, or contests. Engagement builds trust and loyalty, and pages with higher engagement often get more visibility on Facebook. Another tip is to use Facebook ads strategically. Even a small budget can help you reach the right audience based on location, interests, age, and behavior. Ads allow you to target potential customers who are most likely to engage with your page or buy your products, making your marketing more effective and efficient. Take advantage of Facebook's features for showcasing your business, highlight your services, create events, and encourage reviews. Positive reviews and recommendations boost credibility and help new customers feel confident choosing your brand. Also, use the call to action buttons like send message or book now to make it easy for visitors to take action. Finally, monitor your performance using insights. Check which posts get the most engagement, what times your audience is online, and how your overall page is performing. Use this data to adjust your strategy and focus on content that works best. Optimization is an ongoing process, and reviewing your results helps you improve over time. By applying these marketing tips, you can grow your Facebook business page effectively, engage your audience, and attract more customers in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more actionable social media tips.